question was in front of you. Today we are going to discuss a relationship between the trigonometric ratios. In that first point is over in previous classes. Now second point I am going to tell that express tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Express tan theta and cot theta in terms of cos, sin and cos theta. You see this. Yes. To express tan theta, comma cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. As you know, this is the right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, acute angle at C. Perpendicular side of theta is opposite side. Perpendicular side of right angle is hypotenuse. Base is BC, nothing but adjacent side. Yeah. Next, the length of AB divided by small case letter C. Length of BC divided by small case letter A. Length of CA divided by small case letter B. In previous classes, in childhood age, we did it. We have done. Now, express the tan theta. As you know, dear viewers, tan theta is nothing but this is a Osha Chota is a beautiful word for to derive the trigonometric ratios in easiest manner. Now, tan theta equals O by A, opposite side by adjacent side. With respect to this question, this diagram is AB by BC. It is nothing but C by A. C by A. Here, C by A divided by numerator and divided by denominator with B. Here divides numerator and denominator. N for numerator, D for denominator by B. This is it. Here divides numerator and denominator by B. Now what will happen once we check it here? C by B. OS by H. OS by H. OS by H is nothing but, dear viewers, sin theta. Here. Express tan theta in terms of sin and cos. Okay. Here C by B means opposite side by hypotenuse sin theta. Okay. A by B means adjacent side, B means hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but cos theta. So the tan theta can be expressed in terms of sin and cos theta by using right angle triangle. Next, we have to go with cot theta. Is cot theta. As you know, cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. That is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect to this diagram, BC by AB. With respect to BC length is A by C. A by C. Adjacent side by opposite side. BC by AB. Length of BC equals to A. Length of AB equals to C. I have written here. Next, numerator and denominator. Here divides numerator and denominator by here also B. Then what will happen once we check it? A by B and C by B. Numerator divided by B, denominator also divided by B. By the diagram A by B. A by B. A by B means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. By C by B. C means opposite side. B means hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse. As we know very well, previous knowledge, adjacent side by hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta. By opposite side by hypotenuse is nothing but sin theta. So therefore tan theta equals to sin by cos. Therefore tan theta also written as sin theta by cos theta. Therefore cot theta also written as cos theta by sin theta. This is the way we have to explain or we have to express tan and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. Okay? Right. Viewers, this is This inverse in front of you. Today we are going to extension of trigonometry. In that already we discussed about relationship between the some specific trigonometric ratios. First note, second note, and today we are going to discuss third and fourth note also. First note, in first note we discuss about reciprocal relationship between the certain trigonometric ratio. Second note, express the tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Now today, third one, value of sin and cos theta less than 1. And fourth note is, in convenience of sin square theta, cos square theta, sin cube theta, cos cube theta, in what way we have to write for our convenience of our problem. Let us see that explanation. In a triangle ABC, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle A to B, acute angle at A. A is an acute angle. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B equals 90 degree, angle A is an acute angle. I am going to draw the diagram. See, viewers. Yes. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle A to B by the question. With respect to the question, A is an acute angle. Right? A is an, this is theta. You know, sin A with respect to theta, in the place of theta, I am taking angle sin A and cos A. Sin A, as you know very well, sin A opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A adjacent side by hypotenuse. Where is the naming the sides of this triangle? As you know very well. Perpendicular side of theta is called opposite side. Perpendicular side of angle 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Now this is remaining side is called adjacent side. Here sin A with respect to OS BC and hypotenuse longest side in a right angle triangle is AC, nothing but hypotenuse. Now cos theta adjacent side is here AB and hypotenuse is nothing but AC. Here sin A nothing but BC by AC is always less than 1. Therefore, cos A is also AB by AC value less than 1 only. In certain, less than or equals to 1. This is the third point of relationship between the trigonometric ratios. Now, let us see fourth point, in convenience. Convenience of, we have to write sin theta whole square, sin theta whole cube, we can write it for our convenience. Sin theta whole square means we can write sin square theta. Sin theta whole cube right means we can write sin cube theta. Don't write sin theta whole square. Don't write sin theta whole cube. Sin square theta, sin cube theta. This is the fourth point of the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. Third point is to find the sin A value, cos A value, both are less than 1 only. Okay. The fourth point, for our convenience, we have to write the value of sin theta whole square, sin square theta. Now sin theta whole cube like sin cube theta and so on. We should apply this values cos, tan, sec, cosec also. This is the 4 important points which is useful for by solving the trigonometric problems in coming classes. This is called relationship between the trigonometric ratios. Okay viewers, I hope that have you understand these all the things? Now don't forget me, please like and subscribe my channel.